मेरो तेज दूध होना वे मैं पानी पा.
Okay, jokes apart. Hello everyone, this is Banashri and today we are going to talk about Amul.
मेरो तेज दूध होना वे मेघा दूध दूध बरसावे जो सैलाब दूध का लावे साल होया पूरा है 75 रे मेरो तेज बन गयो है बेहतर रे लाए तकनीकी बौछार 700 आविष्कार हो गए आधुनिक घर बार देखो देखो रे स्त्रियों को स्वाधीन बनाए दुनिया भर में नाम कमाए साल होया पूरा है 75 रे मेरो देश बन गयो है बेहतर रे.
Amul has completed 75 years since its inception and it has crossed 52,000 crores turnover. Amul has employed 36 lakhs people in the country. Amul is known for the White Revolution. Amul Cooperative Society was founded in 1946 by Tribhuvan K. Patel. Before Amul was formed, Paulson Limited used to act as an intermediary company to transport the milk from farmers and milkmen in Anand. There was a problem regarding the margins. The most of the profits would go to the Paulson's pocket. So the farmers were very disappointed and Sardar Patel advised the farmers to form a cooperative society. So a handful farmers from 2 villages in Kaira district started this society and now it's one of the largest company in India. Meanwhile, the cooperative society was facing a new problem, that is the extra milk. In 1955, Nehru-led Indian government helped the union facilitate a fund of rupees 50 lakhs. This boosted the company's growth as it adopted technology. So, the Amul Cooperative Society started pasteurizing milk into butter and powder milk. Amul is the first company in the world to process buffalo milk. Amul is actually doing justice to its name. Amul has been catering to the needs of the people over the world. In 1965, National Dairy Development Board was formed. The board started an operation named Flood Operation in 1969 to 1970 with Amul, which was later known as White Revolution. The key person of this revolution is Dr. Verghese Kurian. He is known as the father of White Revolution. The operation made India self-sufficient in dairy production and India became world's largest producer of milk. Dr. Kurian was later awarded with Padma Vibhushan by his efforts are remarkable. The Anand Pattern experiment helped the farmers to gain the maximum profit possible. The experiment eliminated the middleman. Also, in 1966, the first Amul marketing campaign started with the Utterly Butterly Amul Girl or its great moment marketing. This is probably the longest campaign ever. Amul comes with great ideas when it comes to advertising. The round-faced, round-eyed, polka dot wearing little girl is India's most loved icon. Currently, Amul holds 8th position in dairy processing in world and it is aiming to reach top 3 in upcoming years. That's all for today. To watch more videos about marketing, advertising and companies and other business related topics, keep watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.